Today we are holding our first female partner driver celebratory Christmas event to make our female partner drivers feel appreciated, and we are slowly moving in the right direction by listening to them to improve their safety and many other concerns on the platform. The female partner drivers play a crucial part, and it's very important that Uber recognise this. The purpose of this event was to bring the female partner drivers closer together, build a stronger community, give them an opportunity to speak and discuss, and also to build friendships within the community.
It's really great to be part of this event, to hear from women partner drivers, their experiences.
I get comments like, oh, I'm so happy it's a woman.
So refreshing having a female driver. Most of the women customers, they feel more secure.
Mainly it's refreshing, it's really nice, they feel safe.
Actually, it's quite a joy when someone's so happy to be picked up by you. Just getting into a car with a sort of mumsy person.
I was the first woman driver. When I see like 800 Uber driver, I'm so exciting, it's so nice.